Packets of biscuits were divided equally among 21 families at a charity fair. 7 families gave away 3/4 of their share to the other families. As a result, the other families received 12 more packets of biscuits each. How many packets of biscuits were there at first? So for this one, usually the question type for this would be a group of participants gave something to another group of participants, and therefore, find something from it. This is a normal question type. It can be quite killer for some students. So I'm going to teach you how to draw the model for this one. Okay, so over here, I'm just going to draw a bar, and this one will represent 21 families. Okay, so we're going to put 21 fam. So among the 21 fam, 7 families gave 3/4 of their shares to the other family. This will be the 7 fam. These 7 fam, so what they did is that, okay, I'm going to extract this out. I'm going to divide this into 4 portions. After I divided this into 4 portions, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to indicate 7 families gave 3/4 of their shares away, which means that this, and this, they're all given away to the remainder, the rest of the 14 families. So this one will have 3 more bars. Okay, so this is how you visualize the question. Out of the 4 parts that they have, they gave 3 parts away to the 14 fam. Now, they said that as a result, the other families received 12 more packets of biscuits each, which means that this 14 family, each of them received 12 more because of this, which means that we can find this. Now, we merely have to take 14 family of 12 more packets of biscuit each, okay, and multiply them together. So I'm going to put number of biscuits given away by the by the 7 families would be 14 families receiving 12 more packets of biscuits each. So this will be 168 biscuit. So this is 168. Remember, I always told you all, the moment you all find new information, throw it inside the model immediately. Do not delay. Okay, so which means that these 3 parts is 168. So I want to find the entire thing. So since 3 units is 168, I will find 1 unit, and that will be 168 divided by 3, and that will give us what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 56. Okay. Don't worry if you all can't do mental calculation as fast as me. It's okay. I'm a tutor. I'm supposed to do it faster than you all. If you are not going to be so fast, don't worry. Just going to do a long division. Doesn't matter. It's just going to take up a few more minutes. Doesn't matter. Now next. So I'm going to take this 1 unit multiplied by 4 to find 4 units. So this will will be 56 multiplied by 4. This will give me 224. Now, so this 224 is this entire 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, which means that this entire thing is 224. Now, I have the information that 7 families altogether received 224 biscuits. Okay, so I'm going to find 1 family. So I'm going to put number of biscuits received by 1 family, and that will be 224 divided by 7. This will be 32. Okay, so 1 family receives 32. The question now is asking for how many packets of biscuit were there at first. So how to find this? We already know that each family received 32 biscuits, right? So total family, how many? 21. So we just take 21 multiply by 32, and that will be the answer. Simple, right? So I'm going to write it over here. Total number of biscuits will be 21 multiplied by 32. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to teach you a simple method how to calculate this one. If 21 multiplied by 32, isn't it the same as 20 multiplied by 32 plus 1 times 32? Same, right? Because here 21 sets of 32. 21 sets of 32 is equivalent to 20 sets of 32 plus 1 set of 32. It's the same. Okay, so this one is very easy. 20 times 32 will be 640 plus your 32. Ta-da, done, 672. So this is a shortcut method. Okay, easy, right? So remember, as you're drawing a model for fractions, make sure you label each of them clearly. Visualize the entire question first. Do not be so fixated on the final question, because once you get all the information about the question, you can immediately answer the question without any delay. Okay, done.